Hey everybody, time for Epomaker Part 2 with the G84. Yeah, gonna be opening us up, trying her out right after this. So what can I say about the G84? I don't know, I haven't opened it yet. Okay, yeah, why don't we just take care of that? So, I'm told that this delivers a premium gasket-mounted typing experience with 5-layer sound dampening and pre-loop switches, offering creamy acoustics. Why did you make me say that word? All I had to do was just read that, and I just... Okay, take it from there. Offering creamy acoustics and smooth responsiveness for both gaming and productivity. Did they really use the word creamy there? I don't know why that just sounds icky to me. Anyway, yeah, here it is. This is it. Gotta take it out of the box right now. Okay, I'm not really sure what angle I can show this at. That would be best, so I'm gonna have to do with what I got. But there's a cover here, so yeah. Okay, here's the keyboard itself. Get it out here. Ah, there's the instructions right there. That'll be handy. Okay. Just to simplify things, we might as well take care of this now. There's some additional accessories under here. What am I seeing? Aha! I'm seeing a wire, as well as some switches, and this. Now we saw this here. We saw this in the other keyboard, so I'm not too surprised as far as what that goes. So, what do we have? Oh, better get out of this wrapping first. And here it is. Very white. Yeah, hopefully that shows up with everything I've got here. Green screen and stuff. What do you think? Nice? Nice. Okay, so what am I seeing here? Aha. Here's something I'm not seeing. What's a dongle? I'm seeing, okay, this seems to be a standard that I'm seeing here now, where it has like a Mac and Windows switch, and it also has a switch for wired Bluetooth. And then, of course, the dongle thing. Problem is, I don't see a dongle, like, anywhere. Did it come with it? Or is it one of those things that just comes out or something like that? Aha! Found it! Dongle! Right there. Okay. Yeah. I'll fish that out. So we'll try that out a little later. But first, we're just going to do a simple wired connection. Okay, after unwrapping the wire, I've decided to essentially connect it, because why else would I do this? Alright, yeah. Okay, you get where I'm going with this. So, here we go. We're going to connect it up. And, okay. Any lights? There are lights. Can you see it? Once again, I always have to do this thing where I have to, like, get a recording of it after it, because it's hard. It really is. You just don't get this thing in this lighting that I got. You know what? I've complained about this before. I don't see a need to complain about it again. I think the best thing I can do is type on it and see how it sounds. Okay, here's something I can do. Would you like me to... Actually, maybe you could do this. Just go to my other Epomaker keyboard review that I'm doing this week, and you'll hear what those keys sound like, and maybe it is similar. Yeah, I probably made some typos there. I'm sure you eagle-eyed viewers probably noticed. Anyway, so I got that. Do I want to do the whole connect it with the dongle? Yeah, we'll do that, and the Bluetooth. And to do that, we're probably going to need the instructions. Sorry, that took longer than I should have. I should have done the instructions instead of the long, awkward pause I got there. Oops. Unplugging begins now, and now plugging in the dongle. And now, something I should have really done, maybe I should have done this first, is put that in dongle mode. Dongle capture mode, whatever it is. It's there. Yep, it works. Okay. Now we're going to do, of course, the thing that takes always such the longest thing is the Bluetooth mode. So we'll put that in Bluetooth. And from there, okay, I'm seeing a flashing here, which is good. So let's see if it recognizes it right away. I'm going to see. Because normally, okay, all right, maybe you can see this here. It's flashing, or it was flashing. And it's still flashing, actually. Okay, now it's blinking really super, super fast. And got it. Okay, At least it recognized it. At least it recognized it was there. Are we in? Let us see. And we're in. Okay, we're connected up, and it's kind of nice. You know, the white keyboard actually brings out the colors. And yeah, I'm going to have to get this in focus in the dark. Unfortunately, we're surrounded by light here, and it's day. So yeah, we'll have to try that at night. But okay, now this is the Epomaker G84, and I believe these same things apply here. Yeah. Ooh. Quite a few things can be done here. Nice with the lighting. Very, very nice. Okay, I'm really liking this. Okay, those lights look pretty good to me. Anyway, so let's go through some of the other features. First of all, this is an 80% compact gasket design in FlexCut PC plate. Oh, wow. Remember, I think I might have mentioned that when I reviewed the Galaxy 65, I said it was a lot heavy. This feels actually pretty light, so I'm liking that. Yeah. So what else have we got here? Well, we got this custom shine-through RGB black backlight. So apparently it reacts to your gaming actions. We got to get that on film if we haven't already. And apparently this is a... Why does it keep saying creamy? What the heck does that mean? Man, my mind is just terrible. Okay, so apparently it's got some sound dampening and stuff like that. So, but I think we've already discussed that, as well as the, oh yeah. Plus it's also pre-lubed. Gosh, man, my mind is just going in all sorts of bad places here. Hot swappable switch, and yeah, now that's what those things are for. So, those tongs and stuff like that. Anyway, so this apparently is designed to be a gaming keyboard. So in case that isn't obvious by all the colors on it, which I think I've demonstrated enough, yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me. It just does. So, that's strange. You can buy it with the Epomaker Click mouse. Have we reviewed a mouse from Epomaker? Why haven't we? Well, we're going to have to do that, that's for sure. But for now, I'm going to talk about the price. It's about $75.99. Now, granted, it's normally $79.99, so one of those prices will probably get it to you. And honestly, I think this is worth paying $5 extra for, if you know what I mean, because it's a nice keyboard. Yeah, I like that pose. You know what? I'm going to use that pose for the thumbnail. Hey! Actually, how about this? Hey! Yeah, there we go. Great keyboard. I'll put that in the thing. That sounds good. Anyway, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off. But wait, there's more. Yeah, we've got a third Epomaker review coming up here. But now I'm signing off.